T, H. Together, these two letters make one sound. TH makes the sound th, th. "33 bees. Where is the horse?" The tree and the horse meet 33 bees.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.